Hello guys, my name is Sayed Mohsin Ali and I am a recent graduate from the Federation University. Today I am going to talk about my experience as a graduate. I came here in Australia, Sydney, because I want to learn software engineering and to get the quality of education. Previously, I have done the telecommunication engineering, and I feel that telecom is moving towards the artificial intelligence and the artificial intelligence based on the software engineering. So I have started for finding the universities. So I have found the Masters of Technology a course in Federation University is the most updated course, and I have also gone through the course outline, and I have found out that iTech 7415 uh, have the some industrial engagement. And during this project, we worked with the IT-based company. And during my degree, I have also worked as a mentor in MIT Sydney. And this is the IT company details that we have worked during our semester project. During our project, we also work with a real client, and the client came up with some problems, and they came up with a different kind of the problems. So we start finding out the solution of the problem, and we propose a solution after discussion with our supervisor and the lecture. So after that, we start working on the proposal, and we did the literature review for to solve their problem. First, we start the literature review and um, what kind of the problems that we are going to face during the project and how to do the project. And we have created a roadmap to done the project. After successful gathering the information, we have created tasks equally and created the stories, user stories with some acceptance criteria. And we came up with some features that I write it down over here that we put in our web application. Uh, in each if and we have used the sprint we have followed the sprint 1, 2, and 3, which is called agile methodology, to perform the project. And after the discussion with our supervisor and the lecturer, they tell us that our web application should be responsive, and it should be responsive plus friendly, so the end user can easily see what sort of information admin want to display, and they can read or go through the all the necessary things. We did client and supervisor meeting every week, and we also demonstrate our project to the client in every meeting. And if they want anything, we came up with some solutions, and we also discuss these solutions prior to our supervisor and the lecture. We get the several inputs from our client as well during the client meeting. In the end, we are able to deliver the project. And these are the subjects, there are some subjects that help us to perform the project, which are big data analysis and comparative programming languages, software testing analysis, and the management subjects in our course help us a lot. And the use of the comparative programming languages provide us a platform to use the multiple languages like in our project, like Kotlin, C Sharp, like Kotlin CSS, HTML, MySQL, etc. And draw.io is the software that we use for the developing the our sequence ERD diagrams and flowchart as well. We did demonstrate our project to the client and supervisor in the demonstration part. We also did the testing of our project. Uh, During the testing, we have created many test cases of the project, and software testing subject help us a lot to perform the testing of the application. We successfully done the project demonstration. I have also done internship in the Restro in the Pro Dynamics, which is a software development company in Australia, which helped me a lot to know the working environment of the international multinational company. The skills that I have learned from the project and from my internship is the communicate how to communicate with the team, and how to perform a teamwork, and to do the creative thinking, that how to solve the problem, the creative thinking that we are uh, in the start we are unable to do that, but after the discussion with the lecturer and the supervisor, we are able to think the problem solving skills and the project management skills that I have learned in the past 2 years. I have applied on this project. And the communication, I have found that is the main asset of a project. If the communication is better, we are able to deliver the project on time. And as I discussed, we have used the agile methodology, and we have also learned the waterfall in our previous degrees, but we have used agile methodology. In agile, we are developing, testing, and designing the project in each sprint. And but if we have any problem, we are going to fix in the next sprint. And in sometimes we came up with some problems, that we have time management issue, and the creative thinking, uh, problem solving issues. So we discuss it with our supervisor and the lecturer, and they came up with the time management and problem solving techniques that we have applied in our project, and we are able to deliver the project on time. Thank you.